Did you just finish your DSST exam and want to know how to access your results? You've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you exactly where and how to view and print your DSST exam scores, whether you took your test at a college or university, or through Prometric. Let's start with those who took their DSST exam at a college or university. In this case, you registered through Prometric TCNet. To view your results, simply log into your Prometric TCNet account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Take Test tab. Then next to Review Scores, click History. Here you can see your completed DSST exam scores, print a copy of your results, and even view your exam fee receipt. This is a convenient way to access your results anytime. Now, if you took your exam through a Prometric test center or online, the process is slightly different. You'll access your results through the Prometric Report Validation portal. Log in by entering your 16-digit registration confirmation number and your last name. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to view and print your exam results. This method is just as simple and allows you to get results quickly and efficiently. In conclusion, viewing your DSST exam results is an easy process, whether you registered through Prometric TCNet or directly through Prometric. If you have any questions about your results, don't hesitate to contact Prometric. And remember, if you need more help, feel free to visit us at DsstTestPrep.com. Our blogs will walk you through the process step by step. We're here to assist you with all your DSST test prep needs. Visit DsstTestPrep.com for free practice exams and more. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more DSST exam tips. Thanks for watching and happy testing.